Guys, welcome to my channel. And first we will come to this website www.com. This is gigabyte.com. This is a officially website for you can download driver, any check, any workout related to gigabytes. Okay, so you can see here, click to search and type your model number of your graphic card. B760 Gaming X Wi-Fi 6E Generations 5. After that, just single click to hit enter. Now you can see here it is searching, and then click to product, and then click to title of B760. Then click to support. Select your operating system, Windows 10, 11. So guys, this is video we try to install Windows 11, and if you are using Windows 10, so no worry, installations process same. You just select Windows 10 and 11 any, you can watch this video and then install the driver. Okay, LAN driver. So click to download. After downloaded, open this folder and then double click to exe. Then click to yes. You can see LAN driver details installing Gigabyte Windows 11 and this version. Then it is done and close it. VGA driver. So you can see here 770 MB, and this is Intel graphic card driver, okay, of your this motherboard. Just click to download. This is so heavy file, you can see here 770 MB. Okay, so I already downloaded, which is you can see here 770 MB. Just single click to open after downloaded. Then guys, this is exe. You can extract, otherwise you can install directly. If you want to install directly, you just double click, continue, double click to open. Then click to yes. Now you can see this is extracting data, and then install after that. Now you can see it is installing. And then double click and then close it.